Hey you guys, this is Gabrielle with Oxmoor Auto Group here at Oxmoor Toyota today, and I'm here with Chuck Schumann.
Hi guys.
Now we're very excited. This is our second 2018 Toyota CHR that we've received. Now as you can see, this one is in that two-tone, but I'm going to have Chuck kind of go over some more details on the exterior with you guys. So Chuck, go ahead.
Absolutely, Gabby. Like you said, we're really excited. This is the second 2018 CHR that we've gotten on the lot. The first one we sold already. It was the black one we did a video on just a couple weeks ago.
Right.
And we were the first one actually in the area to sell one. So yay!
Yes, yes.
But this one's really cool. This one's sharp. This has the blue Eclipse base down here with the iceberg white top on on the roof. So the two-tone, which you really don't see a lot of. It's a sporty, attractive look. It's very aggressive. We were just doing a training on this in Lexington, and one of the trainers was driving this one, or one like this one.
Right.
And he says not a day goes by that he gets out of the car, somebody doesn't ask him about this car. I mean, this is an eye-catching car. And I wanted to talk a little bit more about the design that you've probably picked up on, but the lead designer on this was thinking diamonds the entire time. So all of the shapes, if you look here at the body shape on the whole side, like it's all inspired by diamonds, diamond shapes in the window, on the tires, if you look at the rims on these, diamond shapes everywhere, diamond on the bottom.
Right. Even
back here on the back with the head or the tail lights, the back hatch door, everything's got that angular diamond shape to it.
It does.
In the last video we showed the interior and all the diamonds that are in there as well.
Right.
This thing is covered in diamonds. This is the main driving focus of that. And then the other thing, it's not just a stylish car, this is fun to drive. We actually got to do a little closed course test track with this.
Yeah.
And Gabby, this car handles better than any of the other ones we tested in its class. The CX-3 from Mazda, the HR-V from Honda, even the Chevy Spark, which I had never even heard of before.
Right.
But this thing handles fantastic. It's so much fun to drive.
It's perfect.
So look good, have fun driving it.
Exactly. Yeah, I absolutely love it.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, thanks for going over some of those things with us. If you guys have any questions regarding this vehicle, please let us know. You can give us a call. Our phone number is 502-214-7085, or you can visit our website at oxmoortoyota.com. Thanks, you guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.